My name's Chaplain Tyler. My pronouns are she, her, and hers. I'm gonna show you guys how I create my holiday 2021 look. So I'm gonna first apply the Mousse Def. It's actually Mousse Def. It is the Chi Advanced Ionic Compact Hair Dryer. Sort of set it with the Shapeshifter Kween Glitter Spray, also by NYE. My lashes, 2 types of mascara, one for your upper lash, the other for your bottom lash. This is the NYE hair fragrance. The Duo Quick Set. This is the lash adhesive, the liquid black eyeliner that it comes with. I love doing like a cat eye. I just feel like it gives you like a little bit of a lift. Sometimes I just like extend the line of the eye. Sometimes I'll go from like the middle out, but sometimes I just think like adding like a little tip just like adds like a little bit of like a feminine touch. I don't know. And so for me, like I feel like sometimes, I don't know, I feel like trans girls like are always thinking about like femininity. Sometimes I feel like adding like a little clip can be kind of cute. But I also think that girls shouldn't have to think about being feminine all the time, because I think that is a result of living in a patriarchal society. Real talk. Real talk with Chaplain as she gets ready for her holiday party. And this is my look, you guys. I'm doing like this kind of silver marbleized taffeta dress, but it's shorter. It's an easy holiday look. Cute, no?